Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how we can download and install the MinGW installer on Windows 11. So let's get started. Open any browser. I'm going to use Mozilla and go to Google and search MinGW just like this. And now make sure that you see this website sourceforge.net and the title says MinGW-minimalist GNU for Windows download. Click on this link and in here I'm going to click on this download button and it says your download will start shortly. So let's wait. And as you can see, the setup has been downloaded. So if I click on it, you can see it takes me to this prompt. I'm going to click on install and here you can select the directory where you want to install your MinGW installation. I suggest you keep it to the default, which is C drive / MinGW. So let's click on continue and it will start installing. Now I'm going to fast forward till the installation process completes. The installation has completed successfully. You can see 100% here. Let's click on continue. And it takes me to this window. Now here, I'm going to click here and click on mark for installation. And I'm going to click on GCC, G++ as well and mark for installation. And also MinGW 32, mark for installation. Now I'm going to click on this installation and click on apply changes. Click on apply and it will start downloading all the necessary packages. Now when we are done, we will see this dialog and it says all changes were applied successfully. You may close this dialog. So let's close it. So this means that our MinGW installation is successful. Now we should be able to use the GCC. So if I go to my command prompt, if you don't know how to open a CMD in Windows, go to your Windows and search for search for CMD and open and click on it and it will open the command prompt. Now here, in order to check if everything went right, let's type in gcc -- version. Okay, I misspelled the version. So it says GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. That's because there is no path for the MinGW in our environment variables. So we need to change that. Let's go to search and search for environ. And you'll see this edit the environment variables. Click on it. And in here, before doing anything, we need to go to our C drive. And remember that we installed the MinGW in this folder only. So click on this MinGW and go to bin and copy this path and go to this dialog for environment variables. Click on this environment variables and click on this path and click on new and paste the path in here. So click on OK, OK, and click on OK. And if I type in GCC now, okay, I get a fatal error, but it's working because it's telling me that no input files. So what we can do is we can say G++ -- version, hit enter. Now you get this output G++ mingw.org and it gives us this version of our installation. So it worked successfully. So this is how you can install MinGW and GCC compiler on your Windows to compile your C or C++ files on Windows. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. And in the next video, I'll show you how you can run your C and C++ programs in Visual Studio Code. So if you want to do that as well, go to the next video. It should be there. So I'll see you in that video. Till then, peace out.